Hi, I'm Kathy Roberts, also known as the Tidy Tutor. I wanted to give you a quick update. For now, I'm officially stepping away from running my business as the Tidy Tutor. That means that the links in the videos or in the description box or somewhere on a web page are most likely not going to work because I'm shutting everything down. So if I say click on this link to find out more or click on this link for these 10 tips, most likely you're going to get a 404 error page or something like that. I don't know what I'm doing in the near future, but for now, I know that this channel is staying up because it is filled with things that matter. I also intend to turn all of my courses into books and workbooks. I'd love to continue to offer my courses as video courses and video workshops, but for now, I just have got to make things simple. I also feel that I've been called to ministry, and I need to step back and do what I feel led to do step by step in order to allow that to unfold. Somehow I know that the Tidy Tutor is part of that ministry, but right now I don't know how. So this pause, this simplification is what I believe I need to do as a first step to obey the call that I believe is from God. Now, I do have to mention that there is a little bit more to it. All of the wheel spinning that I do, it's just not what I am. I am not a seller. I can't stand any of the tech, the funnels, the marketing. It's just something that I'm not good at. And for me to continue to do something that I realize is not going to change is just plain stupid. Now, my message to you as the Tidy Tutor is that if you do feel like you're a mess and you struggle to get your home in order, or you wondered if there was something wrong with you, I'm telling you that there is nothing wrong with you. You just need a system that works for the way that you're wired. That's what this channel is here for, to give you that help. And that's what I've been here for as the Tidy Tutor to help you with. In the past, I offered more support through monthly memberships, courses, and coaching. For now, I'm stepping away from all of that, except for I'm continuing with my inner circle people where we meet weekly, and I'm also continuing with one-on-one coaching. Now, if you purchased a course from me in the past, I'll have it to you within 30 days or less. Just email me, Kathy@thetidytutor.com, if you have any questions. Now, you may have noticed that there are no ads on my YouTube videos. There never have been, because it was never my goal to go after YouTube dollars. I don't like the distractions of ads myself. My goal was to help people. If someone wanted free help, they got it without the interruption of a commercial. If someone wanted more help from me, then my video being here was an opportunity for you to be able to reach out to me. In either case, it was a win. If you felt value here on my YouTube channel, there's now a donate button. Every dollar is appreciated. There's nothing too small. It helps me to keep this content available and will encourage me to continue to create helpful videos. I'll still be meeting quietly with a small group once a week, and I'm continuing to offer one-on-one coaching. If you're interested in working with me more personally, just reach out. If you want to be part of the small group, you can while it's still available. Just reach out to me and I'll hook you up. Thank you for being part of this journey. I look forward to see what the future holds. Thank you so much for being in my world.